Ever feel like you need a second pair of hands to juggle multiple tasks? What if I told you your screen could multitask just like you? I'm Barnett from IT Cubed, and today we're unlocking the power of split screen mode on your devices for better multitasking and productivity. Stick around to learn how to set up split screen mode on Windows, Mac, iOS, and Android, and how to use it to work smarter, not harder. At IT Cubed, we're here to simplify tech for you. Let's start with desktops. On Windows, just drag a window to the edge of your screen, and it will snap into place. Select another window for the other half. On Mac, use the green Maximize button. Hold it and choose Tile Window to left or right. It's that easy. Tip number 1, use shortcut keys. Windows plus arrow keys or Control plus up arrow on Mac to save time. Split screen isn't just for multitasking, it's for multitasking efficiently. Let's see how it works on mobile devices. On iOS, swipe up from the bottom to open the dock. Drag an app to the side of your screen and adjust the divider. On Android, open the app switcher and select split screen and pick your apps. Fun fact, Android introduced split screen way back in 2016, while iPads got it in 2015. With split screen, you can reply to emails while watching a tutorial or check your calendar while scheduling a meeting, all without switching back and forth. To maximize split screen, prioritize related tasks like researching and writing, or meetings and note-taking. And remember, external monitors can further enhance your productivity. Tip number 2, use focus modes on your devices to reduce distractions while multitasking. Smart multitasking is all about balance. Keep it simple, keep it focused, and watch your productivity soar. To recap, learn how to activate split screen mode on your devices. Pair your tasks wisely and use tools like shortcuts and external monitors for a seamless workflow. You are now ready to master multitasking. Thanks for tuning in to IT tips, tricks, and hacks. Found these tips useful? Hit the like, share this video with your team, and subscribe for more tips from IT Cubed. We're here to make IT work for you. Stay sharp and see you next time.